गोंयचे बास्केटबॉल संघटनाक नितळ करपा खातीर गोंय खेळां प्राधिकरणाचो कार्यकारी संचालक एल्विस गोमसान मोहीम उगडल्या। मंगळारा ताणें बास्केटबॉल संघटनाचे सी वाज आनी सचिव शेखर जैनाक आपोवन हाडले। सध्या दोन्ही संघटनांतले मेळून खडेगांठ खेळगड्यांची एक अस्थायी समिती नेमपाची आनी 6 म्हयने भितर तांकां संघटनेचे समितीची वेंचणूक घेवपाक एल्विसान सांगलां।
We had recently sub-junior nationals, and during the nationals, several representations had come to me, which I kept on the back burner intentionally because I didn't want to vitiate the nationals that were being held in Goa. After the tournament, I had made it a point that I would call them, and today they have come and had a very cordial meeting with me. They have explained their viewpoint, and having understood that, whoever is opposed to them, I have to call them now and bring about a reconciliation. Because the government is very keen that sports culture spreads everywhere, and basketball, which was once in the forefront, has been relegated now to the background. Maybe thanks to this kind of politics or dissensions within the associations. But now is the time to overcome all that and bring them together.
Can SAG directly interfere if they see enough of reason?
I have no reason to interfere directly, but the fact is, is the future of the youth, and when it comes to the future of the youth of the state, the government is concerned, and as a representative of the government, we will ensure that their future is not jeopardized because of the dissensions within these associations.
Okay. So could there be some fresh elections if that is the call of the day? Because
I would recommend right now an ad hoc committee.
Okay.
Wherein representations are given to everyone, and then maybe in a time frame of maybe 6 months elections are held, because elections have not been held for the past 10 years in this association. So there should be some inner democracy. I am not praising GFA, but you see, they can take cue from Goa Football Association, where elections are held very regularly, once in 4 years, and things go very smoothly. So these associations also should look forward and do this kind of things within their associations. Directly, the government is not interfering, I am repeating, okay. But we are using our offices to bring about a rapprochement.
धेंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान 2011-12 सीझन सामको फुलयलो। ह्या सिजनात धेंपोन आय लीग सयत प्रो लीग, सुपर कप आनी आतां GFAचो नॉकआउट कपय जोडलो। म्हत्वाचें म्हणल्यार गोंयचे 3 मुखेल सर्तींनी धेंप्यान पारंपारीक प्रतिस्पर्धी साळगांवकार स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक मारले। साळगांवकाराचो धनीश शिवानंदान आतां फुडल्या सिजनाचेर लक्ष थारायला। तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो। इतल्यान खबरांची तर हांगाच सोंपता। पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया। नमस्कार।